Hi, how is work going?
Hey, work is going well. I am busy with many new projects. How about you? How is your job?
It is great. I am the store manager for 6 months. It is a big responsibility, but I like it. How long have you been in this position?
I have been here for a year. I transferred from another location last year. Before that, I worked in the marketing department at the old office.
Oh, yes. I remember you told me about that. How did you move? Did you ask for it? Or was it the company's idea?
It was both. I wanted a new challenge, and the company needed more people here. I thought it was a good opportunity. And you? How did you become the manager?
Well, I started as a stocker 5 years ago, organizing products and helping with inventory. After a year, I became a cashier, talking to customers. 2 years later, I became a sales associate, helping customers find things. Finally, 6 months ago, they made me the manager.
Wow, that is a great journey. You worked your way up. How do you like being a manager?
It is challenging, but I enjoy it. I am responsible for everything, meeting sales targets, helping my team, organizing the store, and solving problems. It is a lot of work, but I like being in charge.
That sounds like a lot. Do you have a good team?
Yes, the team is great. They work hard and help me a lot. My job would be much harder without them. How about you? How is your team?
My team is nice. When I moved here, I did not know anyone, but they were friendly and helped me adjust. The office is relaxed.
That's good. It's important to have a good workplace. How's your boss? Do you like her?
My boss is great. She is understanding and gives me freedom to do my work. She does not check everything I do as long as I meet deadlines.
My boss is also great. He lets me manage the store by myself, but he helps when needed.
That is perfect. Do you have special benefits now that you are the manager?
Yes, I get a higher salary and bonuses if the store meets sales targets. I also get more vacation days. And you? Any benefits with your move?
Well, I got a small raise in health insurance, which is helpful. I also get meal vouchers every month and flexible working hours.
Oh, flexible hours? That is great. What is your schedule?
I work Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., but I can leave early or start late if I finish my tasks. What are your hours as a manager?
I work more now. I am here 5 days a week, and sometimes on weekends for big sales or inventory checks. I usually work from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., but my hours can change it.
That makes sense. Being a manager means more responsibility and time at work.
Yes, but it is good. I feel in control. Do you feel that way with your flexible hours?
Definitely. I enjoy having control over my schedule. It is nice to balance work and personal life.
It sounds like we both have good jobs.
I agree. How do you relax with all your responsibilities?
It is not easy, but I keep weekends free when I can. I also use my vacation days.
I like to travel when I can, even for a short weekend trip. I enjoy reading and spending time with friends to relax after a long week.
That is nice. Traveling is a good way to relax. Do you have any trips planned?
Not now, but I hope to take a week off next month to visit my family. Do you have vacations planned?
I plan to take a few days off in the summer. Maybe I'll go to the beach. I haven't had a real vacation in a long time.
That sounds amazing. A beach trip is a good idea. It is nice that our jobs give us time to relax and take vacations.
Absolutely. It is important to take a break from work. Well, it was nice talking to you.
Yes, it was great catching up. Let's talk again soon.
Sure. Have a good day at work tomorrow.
You too. Take care.
Thanks. You too.